We're going to today talk about two different types of motors. One, if you zoom in here, is called a clevis pin motor. This is just simply connected with the clevis pin, right? I'd pull out this pin right here, and then the cotter pin, and then the clevis pin comes out. Same here as it is here. That's how this motor is created. Versus this motor over here, we call this a bolt-on motor. You can't see it, but there's two bolts underneath here that bolt this down to the frame, bolts in the frame. And then over here on the side, if you kind of come over here, see if we can get a better picture of it, we have two bolts that go in the side here. So this is called a bolt-on motor, whereas this is called a clevis pin motor. They're just different, they have different features, they're just made in different chairs, but it'll help you to understand how you know, because how to replace them is you pull out the pin, replace that with the clevis pin and the cotter pin, whereas this one it's bolt in. Both of them are very easy to install. We could replace any one of these in under 5 minutes. But those are the two different kinds of motors. So as you look for a motor, it's important to understand which type you have so that we can get it with the correct replacement.